Hi Freaky for Freaks, Shalini here. Today we are going to draw Suga of BTS. The drawing which I am going to draw is from Suga's single Dachwitta. In this song, Suga didn't care about two things: haters and breathing. This song and the music video is an iconic one. Jin and Jungkook fighting in the background is so hilarious. In case some people might not know, Dachwitta is a traditional form of Korean music which used to be played upon a king's arrival. In contrast to this song Dachwitta, I would like to recommend a song titled as Amygdala, which is one of the best depiction of trauma I have ever seen. I don't think there's another artist that can bring comfort to his fans while talking about his uncomfortable memories. I must say, Suga is a brave one. He is so raw with us. In short, he is a total genius. And lastly, you are not freak but unique.